Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to move text in Instagram story or animate the text. So please watch the full video and also give a like to this video. Let's get started. First of all, when you open Instagram, here tap on plus icon on the top. Once you tap on plus icon, then tap on story option in the bottom. And here you can see some options, but you should have to tap on AA or create option. Now here you should have to tap on AA again, and at the top you can see AA, so tap on AA once again, and here type the text. Let's suppose I am typing hello. Now you should have to tap on the animate option on the top, and here select the animation options you want to. So there are many kinds of animations. Now select one of these. I am showing you one by one. And after selecting one of these, simply tap on done, and then you can share it to Instagram and Facebook as well as. So I hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.